Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of bucket sort. This is also known as radix sort in some cases. This is the Wikipedia definition. This bucket sort works by distributing the elements of an array into number of buckets. Each bucket is then sorted individually using any sorting algorithm. This is the definition for bucket sort. When we are given input array with largest numbers of 4-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers like this, and we are asked to sort this particular array, then we will go for this bucket sort. It is very suitable for sorting the largest elements in the array. For example, if we have these elements 643, 59, 62, 31, 44, 443. These are the elements in the input array. Initially, we have to find out the largest number in the given array. The largest number is some 643. It is having 3 digits, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. And the least significant bit is 3 and the most significant bit is at position 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the position and most significant bit is at the position 3. So initially we have to append 0 or we have to prefix 0 for all the numbers in the array. So 643 itself is a 3-digit number. 59 is a 2-digit number. So we will prefix 0 for this 59 and for 62 and for 31 and 443. For suppose if we are taking some 7 here, append 2 zeros for this value 7 in order to get a 3-digit number. This is the first step. And the second step is we will sort the elements from the least significant bit based on this least significant bits of the numbers. Based on these LSBs, least significant bits, we will store them in some buckets. For this example, I am considering 10 buckets ranging from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, so this is 0th bucket, first, second, third and so on. Total 10 buckets. So in our first step, we will check the LSB of each and every number. So let us consider the first number. The first number LSB bit is 3. So this number should be stored in third bucket. 643. Next number is 59. The LSB bit has 9. So it should be, this entire number should be stored in 9th bucket. Next one, 2. Second bucket. 1. So 31 should be stored in first bucket. Next one is 443. 443. The LSB bit is 3. So it should be stored in the third bucket. 443. Next one is 007. So in 7th bucket. It should be stored in 7th bucket. So this is the initial step. After completing this step, we need to rewrite the array starting from 0 to 9. The elements are 31 in the first bucket. In second bucket we have 62. In the third bucket we have 2 numbers right in the same order. 643, 443. We don't have any numbers in 4, 5, 6 buckets. Next one is 7. Next one is, and the last one, 59. So this will be the input for the next iteration. Now I am copying these numbers in our second iteration. The elements are 31, 62, 643, 443, 7 and 59. Now, for this iteration, we will consider the second bit from right hand side. These are the second bits. Based on these second bits, we will store the numbers in their respective bucket number. Now, let us take the buckets from ranging from 0 to 9. So on. Now, the first number has 3 in the middle bit. So, it should be stored in third bucket. 31. Next, 062. 62. Next, 643. 4. So, fourth bucket. 643. Next also, the middle bit has 4. So, it should be stored in fourth bucket. Next, 007. 0th bucket. Next, the last one is 5. 9. So, after this iteration, the output array will be starting from 0 to 9. The first value is 7, second one is 31, and in the fourth bucket we have 2 elements. It should be written in the same order, 643, 443. Next, 59 and 62. So, this will be the input for the next iteration. Now, let us take same 10 buckets. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, in the previous iteration, we have taken the middle bit. Now, the last bit. The last bits are these. So, according to these bits, we need to store them in their respective buckets. The first one is 7. 7, the MSB bit is 0. So, I am storing that 7 in 0th bucket. Next one is 031. Next, 643. MSB bit is 6. So, store it in 6th bucket. Next, 443. Next, 059 in 0th bucket. Last one is 062. Done. Now, we need to store the elements in the same order for our next iteration. Starting from 0 to 9. The first number is 7. Next, 31, 59, 62, 443 and 643. This will be the input for the next iteration. If you observe, we have taken buckets 3 times as we are having 3 digits in all the numbers. So, we have completed all the iterations. If we have 4 digits, we need to take 4 buckets. N digits, N buckets. So, in the same way, in this example, as the largest digit is 3, we have completed sorting using this buckets. 3 times drawing this bucket. So, this will be the last output. So, if you observe, this has been sorted. First one is 7, 31, 59, 62, 443 and 643. This is the process of bucket sort. If you observe, in this example, we have not performed any type of sorting algorithm for sorting these numbers. We are simply considering the digit positions and we are storing them in their respective buckets. For suppose, if we want to sort them using some different sorting algorithm, but by using bucket sort, now I will tell you the example. So, in this example, by considering the total number of digits in the highest number, we will append zeros for the remaining numbers. That's it. So, here all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Now, we will take 10 buckets ranging from 0 to 9. Now, based on the most significant bit positions, we will store the respective numbers in the current buckets. The first one is 643. 643. Next, 062. In 0th bucket, 659. 043. 777, 339, 394. Now we will apply different sorting technique for each bucket to sort the numbers inside the bucket. It can be any of the sorting algorithm. So if we perform some insertion sort, the output for these values will be 43 and 62 in 0th bucket. In 3rd bucket, it will be 339 and 394. 6th bucket, 643, 659. And the last one, 777. Now, if we write them in this order, the output will be, the first number is 43, the next one is 62, the next one is 339, 394, 643, 659 and 777. If you observe, all the numbers from in the given input array are being sorted using the concept of bucket sort. Here we are using some different sorting algorithm to sort the numbers which are stored inside different buckets. These are the two ways in which we can implement bucket sort. Thank you.